Hello everyone, today I will show you how to apply chorus out or strike through or text in a comment box using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor and select comment option this menu bar, and this is a text box. Double click on this text box and select your text, drag your mouse cursor and this right side bar. Here you will find this arrow. Click here and this comment box properties dialog box. Here you can apply strike through this strike through icon and simply select apply strike through, and this text now strike through. Also I'll apply strike through this text and see this, and this sticky note comment box. Double click on this comment box and show this text and remove and apply strike through and see this. In this way you can apply strike through your texts. Yeah, this is, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.